Reports indicate that business management careers and qualifications are highly demanded in various sectors. Employment growth in management occupations will result in about 1 million new jobs from 2020 to 2030. All business-related jobs will increase 10% from 2016 to 2026, a rate faster than the average for all occupations. In addition to this, everyone will need some form of business management education and qualification in the future, regardless of their profession. Qualification is also required to progress further into higher education. So, if you are looking for a business management course that will qualify you for a successful career in business, then Qualifi Level 3 Diploma in Business Management is a best fit for you. Qualifi Level 3 Diploma in Business Management not only provides fundamentals for the beginners, but also gives valuable insight to experienced professionals. Learners completing the Qualifi Level 3 Diploma will progress to the Qualifi Level 4 Diploma in Business Management and first year of undergraduate study in a related subject. The course is comprised of 6 modules, each carrying 10 credits. There is no requirement for any previous qualification or experience. If you want to learn and grow as a successful business manager, then you are eligible to enroll in this qualification. The normal time duration to complete this qualification is 6 to 12 months. But if you want to achieve this qualification in less time, we also offer fast-track opportunity. The qualification will be assessed by a written assignment of about 2,000 to 2,500 words for each unit, meaning 6 assignments for 6 units. Level 3 Diploma in Business Management is accredited by Qualifi, an off-school regulated awarding body. It is a recognized qualification which sits under the umbrella of Off-School Regulated Framework, RQF. Upon successful completion of this course, you will get an Off-School Regulated Certificate, hard copy, from Qualifi Ltd Off-School Regulated Awarding Organization.